wind finally swept off the Florida coast, and got a bunch of yard work done today, cleaning up yards. Weather's super nice. Weather's super nice, 65, humidity's a lot lower, and so decided, hey, come out and to Speed World, run Myles. My buddy Brian has Greengo here, 2002 Chevy Silverado Sports Side, bunch of little mods to it. He's hoping to run like a 13.5 tonight. So 410s in the back, traction bars, long tube headers. I think he's got the Truck Norris cam in it. Nice. So we're getting ready to run a quick run and just have fun after the storm and go from there.
Exactly.
You guys still got to run the junior drag.
Oh yeah, by the way guys, we got this beautiful Hyper Blue, Rapid Blue 01 Camaro with the carbon fiber hood insert. Thing looks awesome.
So we're gonna, Brian's testing out Greengo because the weather's nice and cool.
Very nice and cool.
His traction bars help him hook up a little bit better, and if he can knock down, I think he's looking for a 13.7, 5, something like that. So we're just coming out here for fun. I'm not going to launch it too hard because the transmission too fast.
Yeah.
So I'm not even sure about a burnout. Should we try a burnout?
Probably not. I mean, maybe a little bit if you can, but yeah, definitely not. Yeah. Something you have to hold off on.
But the weather's real nice. We're right after the storm, like I said before.
We have low humidity, so.
Right. It's like 60, well, saying 76 degrees. So, yeah. But the lows are supposed to be 65.
It's been a very nice day.
So
we'll go get the video.
Yeah.
The new slow record for tonight, 20:45.
So first run in September, where Myles here did really good. I was happy. That Bear showed his video, but it was fun. We did a 14.7, decent launch. I probably should have warmed up the tires a little bit more, but it was fun. Been a while. I enjoyed that.
Here we go.
coffee, lots of cool cars. One more run for the night. Let's see how Myles does. 14.7. Not too shabby. Nice Evo here. Really a good looking car. Greengo's gonna whoop me bad this time. Good little truck.
One bumper, back bumper, from the bottom end to the top end, every trick and crank. Driving at the controls. Now keep an eye on this car and has
Alright guys, Bear here. So later on that night, our friend Brian in Greengo was able to hit his time that he was looking for, which was a 13.9, so definitely congrats to him. He's going to be continuing to work on that truck, so it's going to be cool to see what Greengo does in the future. But definitely an enjoyable night, nice weather, a lot of cool cars out testing, and hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks guys for watching. We'll have the different short runs of the different cars out in separate videos later, but hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks guys, bye bye.